In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the connector in Claude and what you'll need to enable it, so you can streamline design reviews and iterations right from your AI workspace. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This keeps things simple and ensures you land on the official site. In the search bar, type Claude AI. When the results load, look for the official Claude.ai link. It should clearly indicate you're going to the Claude app or website. Click through to open Claude. Once Claude loads, you may see the main chat interface. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen for your profile area, usually your avatar or initials. Click that to open the account menu. From there, select Settings. This is where Claude centralizes account preferences and integrations, so it's the right place to manage any external tools. Inside Settings, locate the Connectors section. Connectors are the approved integrations that let Claude securely access content from other services. Click Connectors, then choose Browse Connectors. This opens a gallery of available services you can link to Claude. Use the search field at the top of the Connectors page and type Figma. This filters the list so you can quickly find the official Figma connector. When you see Figma appear in the results, click it to open the connector's details page. Here, you'll typically find a short overview of what the integration does and what permissions it needs, which is useful for understanding how Claude will interact with your design files. At this point, you'll see a notice that connecting Figma requires an upgraded Claude plan. That message is expected. Third-party connectors are available on paid tiers. If you're using a personal account, you'll need to upgrade before you can proceed. If you're on a team or organization account, check with your admin to confirm that connectors are enabled on your plan. It's also a good idea to have your Figma login handy and ensure you have access to the projects you want Claude to reference. Once your plan is upgraded, the connector flow will guide you through on-screen prompts. Keep an eye on permission screens and only grant access that makes sense for your workflow. You can always revisit connectors and settings later to review or adjust access. That's the complete path. Open Google, find Claude AI, go to your profile, open Settings, head to Connectors, browse, search for Figma, and select it. Then, upgrade your plan to unlock the integration. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Claude and Figma working together.